Hello, my name is Jens Benöhr. I'm an anthropologist and environmental educator, and I come from South Chile, a beautiful land full of rivers, mountains, and pure water, but also a land of great social and environmental injustice. In Chile, climate change is a concept that has not been frequently used until very recently. In our land, the global climate change is just too big, abstract, and far away. Instead, dispossession, loss, and environmental conflicts are direct and daily experiences. In this context, what I want to bring to the discussion in the workshop is the problem of scale in environmental education, highlighting the role of distance. Probably, the current global anxiety that we all feel as humanity when facing climate change is produced by this lack of scope when a phenomenon is just too broad. A key question will be then, is it really possible from our own localities to face how global a phenomenon is, such as climate change? In this regard, a possible approach is, instead of new subjects related to climate change, to rethink the distance between individuals and the environment. This is a methodological change in education that needs situated experiences. In this sense, with a group of friends, we have been conducting environmental education workshops that involve outdoor experiences, such as rafting, kayaking, trekking, and environmental interpretation on the field. This has proven to be a really powerful tool to encourage love for a territory and to channel all this anxiety into affection. The implications of our instructional methods means that we, as educators, need to love and understand the ecological background of our environment and share this understanding with our students. In the end, this produces in the students what we call rooted love for the territory and gives a sense of hope for the future of the planet through understanding and action. Thank you.